Son, I am in the middle of trying to organize the chaos. Half of the fridge is over here, half of it's still in here. I still haven't repackaged the hamburger so it can get in the freezer. It's a mess. So, I pulled out my bin of extra storage stuff. Well, hubby pulled it out for me, I'm not gonna lie. And, yeah, I'm trying to see how I can organize what is just driving me nuts. So I'm going to try to show you guys, but I'm not promising good angles. I'm just not. I will definitely try to remember. I will definitely try to remember to show you guys the end result. But like all of this cheese was just kind of laying in here loosely, and it was driving me nuts. And you can't organize loose stuff like that. It just doesn't work. So let's get started and see what I can do with this mess. Recorded 2 minutes worth of video, wasn't recording. Okay, as I was trying to say, it's not Pinterest worthy, but it is definitely better than what it was. Yeah, I have to divide up that meat still. Not worried about it right now, just needed it out of my way. You know, it's fine. It's fine. Still not too sure about putting stuff in that drawer. That's the drawer that we found like the 2 inches of water in a couple of weeks ago. But there's been no more water gathering in it. We have been making sure that the doors are always shut tight, and I know that's what the problem was. So, yeah. Anyway. Coffee stuff down there. Condiments, blah, blah, blah. Dressings, and about the only place I have for our stinky feet cheese, Parmesan right there. And then just odds and ends on top because, yeah, not in the mood. Gonna clean these strawberries real quick. I got a couple of them starting to fade already in this top one, so we need to get those done and put away. And I'm going to call that good for now. I'm not going to make a big fuss about it. But I do need to cut up these that the was holding the pop bottles together, because I don't like putting them in the trash like that. Animals get stuck in them and it's not good. So anyway, you know, I have a little bit of, what's that word? Conservation in me, just a little. Okay, had to do a little bit of rearranging and move the cheese up here and put that thing of like produce and stuff back there, which is not the best place for it. I might rearrange again, but I got the strawberries in there. My hummus is back in there. I'm going to go sit down for a minute and relax before our company gets here. Whew, I don't know why I'm so tired. I know why, because I was up all night again. Alright. Got oranges down there, lettuce down there. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the apples in there. And that'll get rid of that red bin right there. That'll help a lot. But I'm not going to do it right now. I'm ready to go sit down.